Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can buy a domain in Odoo. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. Buying a domain in Odoo allows you to have a professional branded website easily. So the first thing that you will do once you're here, you will go to website app and what you will do is you will click configuration, which is right here, and here you should see domain if it is available for you. And what you will do after that is basically just click it, and then you will just have to click buy a domain, and then after that you will enter your desired domain name. And after putting your desired domain name is basically you will just have to check the availability for that. And after that you will just have to select the domain that you want and click proceed to checkout and enter your payment information. And finally, you will just have to go to the domains in an Odoo and ensure that your new domain is listed and ready to use. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.